everybody. Those of you who follow me on social media probably already know that for the past year and a half or so, I've been making wood-burned art. I've been wood-burning these tarot cards on plywood here at my studio space in the city. And I've gotten through all 78 of the cards, the complete deck, and they've pretty much taken over my entire life. They are everywhere in this space. And now that I've completed all 78 cards, I can finally use them to summon demons.
Though there is not nine recorrection.
Ade Due Dambala, give me the power, I beg of you.
Why have you summoned me, mere mortal? Wait, Stan? Is that you? Steve? Oh yeah, I remember you. We worked together back in 2020. Yeah, I'm kind of all about rehashing old ideas. So I gotta ask, what's the deal with the tarot cards? Yeah, so I made all these cards to help with my satanic rituals. Clearly it worked since you're here. No, remember I'm Stan, the neighbor of the beast from 668 up the street? Nah, I just came down here to return your biscuit jointer, which I literally couldn't find anywhere. And it's too bad because this would have been a really funny gag. It's all right, keep biscuit jointer. Nobody needs those things anyways. But since I'm here, what makes you think you can summon spirits with tarot cards? I don't know. I just thought it would be fun to have a demon possess me just once. I mean, just like in the movies. Just think how cool that Halloween video would be. Yeah, okay, so that does actually sound really fun. But what makes you think that you could pull off any of that? I mean, the special effects required for rotting flesh and open wounds and snot dripping from your nose? Well, no, but that's why I was hoping to conjure a real spirit. Oh, I get it. Like with Ade Due Dabala, give me the power I beg of you. You literally stole that from Chucky. Yeah, but secondly, don't you think if evil spirits were real, they would have possessed you a long time ago? I mean, you've been doing these dumb things for 17 years now. I mean, honestly, I'm surprised you can come up with any new Halloween ideas at all. It's not like anybody watches these. Fair. But I made all these cards, 78 of them. Look, tarot cards aren't magic. They're just images burned onto plywood. Beautifully done, I might add. Thank you. They simply speak to the human condition and they tell stories. They're tools to examine ourselves from fresh perspectives. They help us reflect on who we are by presenting us with fascinating personality archetypes. It seems strange that I wouldn't have known that all along. Maybe, just maybe, you've been watching too many movies. Ugh. You're not wrong there. So why not just enjoy making the art and allow the cards to speak to you and anyone else in whatever way they want? You know, Stan, I learned something today. Wait, not that one though.